Hey guys, welcome back to RedEdandGabe, and I will be showing you how to make slime. Okay, so first you're going to need your activator, which is borax and warm water. And then I would add like about a tablespoon of borax and then add warm water and then wait for the borax to dissolve. And then you need your glue, bowl, spoon, and then you can add in clay if you would like at the end. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start by adding my glue. I'm gonna add, however much glue you add is how much slime you're gonna have. So add as much as you like. I'm not gonna add too much because I like to make slime. So I'm gonna save some. And then you got your glue in your bowl. And next you're gonna add your activator. I would start off with a little bit because it's pretty strong. So maybe about 2 spoonfuls maybe. And then you mix it. And then if you look, it starts to get like, it's okay, I just got the water. It starts to get like stuck to your spoon and jiggly and floppy, and it forms into, I don't know if you can see that, one big ball. 1 second, I'm gonna go grab a towel. So when it forms into a ball, you should be good. You might want something to like put down. I have parchment paper. So, or you could use like a thing, I don't know, like a container or a lid that your parents are okay with you using. So then you can pick it up out of the bowl. It might be a bit like clumpy and sticky and glowy. If it's like that, set it down on your thingamabobber. Then you're gonna add more activator and start mixing it in. And you just wanna keep mixing. So if you keep adding more activator, it should be good. If it's really clumpy like mine is right now and hard, stretch. I have some just plain old water, and you just wanna work that in and slowly move it and just squeeze. Like it's really stiff, so I'm gonna keep adding more water. And yeah, so, well, that's a lot of water. Yeah, mistakes happen. So while you are doing this, you just wanna really add in your water. And yeah, I will come back when mine is all ready. So I overactivated it. Okay guys, attempt 2 because I overactivated this one. So okay, so I'm gonna add more activator because as you can see it's like dews and not ready. So I'm gonna add more activator. Pretty tough. So I'm gonna try to save this, hopefully. So it's not working this nice. So I'm gonna add a bit of glue to it to hopefully save it. It's probably gonna make it more sticky, but it might help it out a bit. I'm gonna add some more water. guys, so I just added more and like more model magic, and look, like it's actually working. Like it was really like, let me show you. So this is the, like, it's actually working and stuff. And then this is the stuff before and then after. So if it's overactivated, use model magic. It works. Well, like it's still a little bit risky, but like better than this. So this stuff works. So you all know. We're gonna test this one. Ready? Okay. 1 second. I will be back. Let's do the Instagram swirl, which I'm gonna suck at. Okay, that's it. So everybody can see this like it's done. Now we're gonna do the clicky testing. Okay, ready? If you guys hear cello and singing, that's RedEdandGabe, aka Ashlyn and Gabe. Oh, I don't know, can you hear that? It does really click. But it stretches. Oh, I wish that actually worked. Well, thank you for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Comment about what was the best slime you've ever made, if you've ever made slime, and what was your favorite color of slime. Okay, bye!